Hello everyone, I'm Varuni Batugahage. Today I'm going to publish the third episode of my student series. Today's lesson is from one of my very old student. She is actually from the third batch of Horizon campus. Okay. Right now she is a very qualified, talented girl. And she is currently working as a visiting lecturer for master's level students. She is none other than Rashmi Balamana. Today she is going to teach you a lesson which is important for everyone, which is not only a lesson which will only be helpful for the law students, it is helpful for anyone in any stream. Please enjoy the video and give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment below.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the presentation of Mastering the OSCOLA Referencing Style, a comprehensive guide to effective application. Before starting the lesson, let me introduce myself to you all. I'm Rashmi Balamana. Currently, I work as a lecturer in law, and I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to my ever-loving lecturer, Ms. Varuni Batugahage, Senior Lecturer in Law at Horizon Campus, for providing me with this valuable opportunity. Let's get started. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the key principles and effective application of the OSCOLA referencing style, which is widely being used in legal academic writing. By the end of this presentation, you will have a solid understanding of OSCOLA and you will be able to apply it confidently in your own work. So, what is OSCOLA? OSCOLA, which stands for Oxford Standard for Citation of Legal Authorities, is a widely used referencing style in legal academia. It provides a systematic approach for citing legal sources, both primary and secondary. So I'll explain you the difference between primary and secondary legal sources. Primary legal sources are the actual law in the form of constitutions, court cases, statutes, and administrative rules and regulations. Secondary legal sources may restate the law, but they also discuss, analyze, describe, explain, or critique it as well. Secondary sources are used to help locate primary sources of law, define legal words and phrases, or help in legal research. In short, anything that is more than the actual law is considered a secondary source. So, the examples of secondary legal sources may be books, chapters, contributions in edited collections, journal articles, both hard copy and soft copies, online available, working papers, parliamentary reports, law commission reports, European Commission documents, conference papers, theses, websites, and blogs, as well as newspaper articles. Consistency and accuracy are crucial in OSCOLA referencing to ensure academic integrity and enable readers to locate the cited sources easily. Now let's identify the key elements of OSCOLA. Understanding the key elements of OSCOLA referencing is essential. These include footnotes, bibliographies, abbreviations, and pinpoint references. Footnotes provides immediate additional source information and citations within the text itself, while bibliographies list all the sources referenced in the work. Accurate abbreviations and pinpoint references help readers quickly locate specific parts of a source. Footnotes in OSCOLA. Footnotes play a crucial role in OSCOLA referencing. They allow authors to provide additional information, explanations, and citations within the text itself. Footnotes should be numbered consecutively and placed at the bottom of the page. When citing legal sources, use superscript numbers in the main text to indicate the corresponding footnote. Footnote citations in OSCOLA follow a consistent format. They typically include the author's name, title of the source, year of publication, and page numbers. In cases of legislation or case laws, additional information such as the jurisdiction or court may be required. It is important to pay attention to punctuation and formatting guidelines to ensure accurate and professional citations. Bibliographies in OSCOLA. The bibliography in OSCOLA provides a complete list of all the sources that you have cited in your work. It should be organized alphabetically by author's surname or by the title if no author is available. Each entry should include the author's name, title of the source, year of publication, and other relevant information depending on the source type. Consistency in formatting and punctuation is crucial again for a well structured bibliography. Abbreviations in OSCOLA. Abbreviations are commonly used in OSCOLA to save space and simplify referencing. It is important to use standard abbreviations for legal sources such as law reports and journals. The OSCOLA Style Guide provides a list of approved abbreviations, so avoid using unfamiliar or non-standard abbreviations that may confuse your reader. Consistency in abbreviation usage is key. Pinpoint references in OSCOLA. Pinpoint references are used in OSCOLA to pinpoint specific pages, paragraphs, or sections of a given source. They help readers to locate the exact information that have been cited in the given work. Pinpoint references are often placed after the citation, indicating the relevant page number or numbers or paragraph or paragraphs. Accuracy and clarity are vital when providing pinpoint references to ensure readers can easily find the referenced content. So now there could be a question among y'all from where you can find these proper OSCOLA referencing guidelines. When you have to cite any law source, you have to make reference to the full OSCOLA guideline, the 4th edition, the latest one. If you have to cite international source which is not being covered by the aforementioned OSCOLA guideline, you have to make reference to the Cite in International Law Source section of the 2006 edition. Make sure to use the most recent edition when you are making reference using OSCOLA referencing style. Finally, we are going to look at the benefits of OSCOLA referencing. Using OSCOLA referencing offers several benefits. It ensures academic integrity, provides credibility to your work by avoiding plagiarism, and allows readers to verify and locate the cited sources easily. OSCOLA referencing also demonstrates your attention to detail and professionalism as a legal scholar or as a legal practitioner. By mastering OSCOLA, you enhance your ability to engage in scholarly discourse and contribute to the legal field effectively. That concludes my presentation, and thank you very much, everyone.
I believe all of you enjoyed Rashmi's lesson, and it is a lesson which is helpful for anyone in any stream, specifically people who are doing dissertation, publications, writing articles, like doing any sort of writing. Like, it's very important. Any assignment for anything, it's very important because we all should make sure that we are using proper referencing system when we do our publications. So definitely her lesson is important for everybody, and I'm sure that all of you enjoyed her video. So please give her a thumbs up and comment below. Thank you very much for staying with us.